What to do if you are unable to start Forbes Smart Clean? Make sure that the main switch of the device is turned on. Make sure that the Forbes Smart Clean is powered on. If the problem still persists, please reset the Forbes Smart Clean by long pressing this power button for at least 5 seconds. What to do if Forbes Smart Clean is not moving or getting stuck? Check whether the machine is stuck or blocked by something. Check whether Forbes Smart Clean is in restricted area. Move Forbes Smart Clean to different location and check. Check whether the battery is too low. If the problem isn't solved, please shut it down, wait for 3 seconds and then restart it. What to do if you are not able to make a cleaning schedule? Make sure the Forbes Smart Clean is on. Schedule the time and make sure it's set correctly. Check whether the charging of battery is too low to start cleaning. What to do if the suction has become too weak? Check the suction inlet for any obstruction. Empty the dust box. Clean filters by tapping. Check the filters. If wet, let the filters dry completely before using. What to do if Forbes Smart Clean is not charging? Check whether the charging dock is correctly connected to the power supply. And indicator lights when power is on. When Forbes Smart Clean is connected to the charging dock, the indicator light on the dock stays off. If Forbes Smart Clean is connected to the charging dock, but the indicator light remains on, and also if Forbes Smart Clean does not respond, please use a dry cloth to wipe the charging poles. If the device still cannot be charged after performing the above steps, please contact the Eureka Forbes customer care service. What to do if Forbes Smart Clean is not returning to the charging station? Clear the objects within 2 feet on the left and right sides, and within 5 feet on the front side of the charging dock. Make sure that Forbes Smart Clean starts sweep from the charging dock without abnormal movement. If Forbes Smart Clean is near the charging dock, it can return faster. But if the charging dock is far away, the Forbes Smart Clean will need more time to return. So please wait during its return. Also try cleaning the charging electrodes with soft cloth. What to do if rolling brush does not rotate? Clean the rolling brush. Also try cleaning the side brush. What if there is any abnormal action? Carefully clean all the sensor with dry cloth. Restart the machine by long pressing the power button. What to do if there is no water released during mopping? 1. Make sure there is enough water in the water tank. Always use clean and low TDS water. 2. Check whether the mop module is installed correctly. Upon correct installation, you will hear related voice prompt. 3. Check whether the water outlet is blocked. 4. Clean the filter in the bottom side of the water tank. What to do if Forbes Smart Clean is not connecting to Wi-Fi? Ensure that your Wi-Fi router supports 2.4 GHz and 802.11 BGN bands, as this equipment does not support 5 GHz bands. Before trying to connect to Wi-Fi, make sure that Forbes Smart Clean was charged at least 50% or connected to charging station. What to do if there are any sensor-related issues? Carefully clean all the sensors with dry cloth. You can restart Forbes Smart Clean by long pressing the power button. How to restart Forbes Smart Clean? There are 2 ways to restart Forbes Smart Clean. 1. Long press the power button for 5 seconds and Forbes Smart Clean will restart. 2. Toggle off the main switch at side forcibly to turn off the Forbes Smart Clean and then turn it on. Enjoy using your new Forbes Smart Clean with home mapping.